guys, Jason here. We're here in the Crown Plaza, about to kick off a little workshop. Here, let's go check out the room. There we go. Woo! So, I guess my question is to you, how do you guys kick off a workshop? For me, it's all about aligning expectations and really getting clarity about what we're doing here today. So, let's run through it. Expectations, business goals, where we are in the market, where's our position, understanding our customer, super important. It's actually really the whole hero of today. Archetypes, obviously the second most important thing here today, lunch, and finally kicking off with understanding your brand style and the priorities and goals to end the day. So hope you guys enjoyed the little video, and I'll take other snippets at the end of the day.